I'm Tom Hoffmaster with CE Mid-Atlantic.
My name is Tim Orndorff, CE Mid-Atlantic.
We're both part of the tech support team here, and we're coming to you today to talk about the DSB17-0003, which is the mandatory safety rework of the green speed and extreme units. We have a 25 VNA 036 here that we're actually going to perform the rework on this unit itself, and so we're going to go ahead and get started. But before that, we want to make sure that you understand that once you come up to the unit, pull the disconnect to make sure there's no power on the unit. Then after you open the electrical compartment, you'll see here that before you do anything in this inverter, you'll see there are DC positive and negative terminals right here on this inverter. So be sure that you take a meter and make sure you measure DC voltage across those two tabs. When the DC voltage reaches 0, then it is safe to touch. Anything above 0, you're going to have to continue wait until the capacitors are fully dissipated. Now, typically it takes about 2 minutes, but again, don't use time. Use your meter to make sure 100% that this thing is now safe to touch. So from here on out, I'm going to let Tim's going to take the rework kit as we have right here, and he's actually going to perform the rework right here on this unit.
We've disconnected power to the unit. We will confirm that the capacitors have discharged by going to DC plus and DC minus, and we have 0 DC voltage. So now it's safe to work on the inverter. What we will do next is remove the black cover, set it aside, and get the kit. Inside the kit, there will be 2 Torx head screws, or bits, I'm sorry, that will be used to take out the screws out of the board. We are disconnecting the wires to the board using the Phillips head screwdriver, and also the ground wire. Get them out of the way. And within the kit comes the Torx head tips to take the 5 screws out that holds the board on. That's the 2 larger ones. And the old fuse block will be removed. Installing the new fuse block is just the reverse of that procedure. And these are the screws that are out of the kit. Those are the 3 smaller screws. There's the 3 larger screws, and you will attach your power wires back to it. Attach your power wires back to in the same order that you removed them. And plug the ground wire back in and reinstall the black cover. Now you're ready to power up the unit and recommission the unit.